Alright, so we're talking about the matrix. So to bring up the matrix, you just click on the matrix link, and then that'll load up. I think I've got it set to load 4 plans ahead of what you're doing, just because we're typically working about a month at a time. So that'll get you about a month in the matrix. If you want to load more, come up to the top and click load a plan. Choose the the worship center, and then this will show you all the plans are in the current view. And let's say you want the rest of April on there, just go ahead and click the rest of April. To close this, click the X, and then the rest of April is over here to the right. The other thing about the matrix is you can expand and collapse. So if John Eric, if you're more interested in the flow, the worship flow, or order of service, you can collapse down your band and your people and just have the worship flow. Whereas Jessica, if you're more interested in scheduling people, you can come in here and expand out the different categories that we're looking at, so you can configure that. The other cool thing about the matrix is when you print this, you can have it print just the areas that are open. So for instance, if you want to do, let's see, people calendar for open categories, that means which categories are expanded. I'm just going to say output to a web page just because it's quicker for now. That'll print a report for audiovisual for the next several months or whatever you got shown. That'll print a little calendar like that. Whereas let's say you wanted to do just the band, if you expand that and choose your open categories, that'll print out a schedule for the band for what you got open.
Can you put that? How do we get to that right now?
Yeah. I think. I don't have print. I don't have.
You're not supposed to print here, are you?
Yeah, I can't print. Yeah.
Okay.
But there's a couple of, you're not going to hurt anything. Just come in here and play around with these reports. Your people calendar is one. The band schedule is a custom report that I did that has everybody, so vocals, band, and AV for a month. Again, it takes whatever plans you have viewable in the matrix and then puts those out. So this could be something that if you want to have the schedule for the month, let's, for instance, let me show you what that would look like for
the 20th through the 20th of March, which is current through.
Yeah, so I'm just going to come up here and remove April. So you just click the little X up here if you want to remove plans from the view. So here's March. If you want to print a schedule for March, here's the band schedule. And that's what that would look like.
That might be helpful just to have posted or something in case guys forget. Whatever. I don't know.
Yep. So, I mean, depending on how you want to do it, you can print it to PDF and put it somewhere. If you've got a web page somewhere you want to put it, this is exported as HTML. You can save the HTML and put that on a website somewhere.
So we could put this on our website.
If you wanted a link off of our website or something, there's all sorts
like
of
on our Worship and Arts page or whatever.
Yeah. So there's all sorts of things that you can do with the matrix, but that's a great way if you're looking for summary, like a month view of something. Looking at these matrix reports is a great place to start. And there's, like I said, there's a couple of them already here. Some of them honor whatever you've got expanded at a time, so you can use the matrix to filter it. And then as you're in here playing with it, if you think of anything that it doesn't quite do it the way you want to, just jot that down and let me know, and I can work on building some custom reports for you.
So how would you put this schedule in for this Sunday? This is a